Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is a really exciting field of science. Think of it like teaching computers to think and learn, a bit like humans do. It's not about robots taking over the world, not at all. Instead, it's about creating smart systems that can help us solve tricky problems. These systems can analyze huge amounts of information, way more than a person could read in a lifetime. They can spot patterns, make predictions, and even help us make decisions. AI is becoming a powerful tool in many different areas, from medicine to how we get our news. It's all about making things work better, smarter, and more efficiently for everyone. So why is AI becoming such a big deal right now? Well, a few things have come together. First, we have so much more data than ever before. Every time you use your phone or search the internet, data is created. AI loves data, it's like fuel for its learning engine. Second, our computers have become incredibly powerful. They can process all that data super fast. This means AI programs can learn and improve much quicker than they could just a few years ago. It's like we've suddenly given these smart programs a giant library and a super fast reading speed. This combination of lots of data and speedy computers is unlocking AI's potential in amazing ways. Now let's think about how this AI stuff connects to making things, like the materials that build our world and the factories that produce them. For centuries, discovering new materials was often a slow process, sometimes even accidental. Scientists would mix things, heat them, cool them, and see what happened. Manufacturing things also involved a lot of trial and error to get processes just right. But what if we could make this whole process smarter and faster? That's where AI steps in. It's like giving scientists and engineers a super-powered assistant that can think, analyze, and predict with incredible speed and accuracy. This is a game changer, folks. In this essay, we're going to explore how AI is revolutionizing the way we develop new materials and manufacture the products we use every day. We'll look at how AI can help us design materials that are stronger than steel but lighter than a feather, or more durable than anything we've seen before. We will also see how AI is making our factories more efficient, reducing waste, and improving the quality of the things they make. It's a journey into a future where science and smart technology are working hand in hand. Consider this, the world around us is about to get a whole lot more interesting thanks to AI. For a very long time, finding new materials was like searching for a needle in a giant haystack. Scientists would rely on their knowledge, intuition, and a good deal of experimentation. Imagine trying out thousands of different recipes to bake the perfect cake. It takes a lot of time and a lot of ingredients. This traditional method, while it gave us many wonderful materials, was often slow and resource-intensive. Sometimes breakthroughs happen by chance. But in our fast-paced world, we need ways to accelerate discovery, to find those perfect material recipes much more quickly. We need tools to help us design materials with specific properties in mind from the get-go. This is where artificial intelligence comes into the picture, acting like a super smart material scientist. AI algorithms can sift through enormous databases of known materials and their properties. They can learn the complex relationships between a material's atomic structure, its chemical composition, and how it behaves, its strength, its flexibility, its conductivity. It's like AI can read the instruction manual for every known material, and then use that knowledge to predict what new, undiscovered materials might be like. This predictive power is incredibly valuable. It allows researchers to focus their experiments on the most promising candidates, saving a huge amount of time and resources. So how does AI actually help make materials stronger, lighter, or more durable? It does this by simulating and predicting. For instance, if scientists want a new alloy for an airplane that is super strong but also very lightweight, AI can help. The AI can be fed data on thousands of existing metals and their characteristics. It can then run countless virtual experiments combining these elements in new ways and predicting the properties of the resulting alloys. It might suggest a combination of metals that no human scientist had ever thought of, one that offers the perfect balance of lightness and toughness. This dramatically speeds up the innovation cycle for creating next-generation materials. Consider the development of new polymers, which are long chains of molecules that make up plastics and many other useful substances. AI can help design polymers with specific characteristics like being biodegradable, extra resistant to heat, or incredibly flexible. It can predict how changing a small part of the polymer's chemical structure might affect its overall properties. Real-world examples are already emerging where AI has helped identify new catalyst materials to speed up chemical reactions, or even helped in the discovery of new types of glass with unusual optical properties. It's like having a crystal ball that shows us the potential of materials we haven't even made yet. Science. Now let's shift our focus from designing materials to actually making things with them. AI isn't just a whiz in the research lab, it's also transforming the factory floor. The journey of a product, from a raw idea to a finished item in your hands, involves many complex steps. AI can optimize many of these stages. In the design phase, for example, AI tools can help engineers create more efficient and robust designs. This is called generative design. Engineers can input their requirements like, I need a bracket that can hold this much weight and fit in this space. And the AI can generate hundreds or even thousands of design options, often with surprising and highly efficient shapes. Once a design is finalized, AI plays a crucial role on the production line itself. You might picture robots in factories, and AI is making those robots smarter and more adaptable. AI-powered vision systems can inspect products for tiny defects far more accurately and quickly than the human eye. This means better quality control and fewer faulty products reaching consumers. Furthermore, AI can be used for something called predictive maintenance. Sensors on machines collect data, and AI analyzes this data to predict when a piece of equipment might fail. This allows factories to schedule maintenance before a breakdown occurs, saving time, money, and preventing unexpected production stoppages. One of the big wins with AI in manufacturing is the reduction of waste and the improvement of overall efficiency. AI can analyze the entire manufacturing process, from the supply of raw materials to the final assembly, looking for bottlenecks and areas for improvement. It can optimize energy consumption, ensuring machines are only running when needed and at their most efficient settings. It can also help manage inventory more effectively, making sure that the right parts are available at the right time, but without overstocking and tying up resources. This lean approach not only saves money, but is also better for our planet by conserving resources and reducing the environmental footprint of manufacturing. We're already seeing real-world examples of AI making a difference in how things are made. In the automotive industry, AI is used to optimize welding robots, improve paint application, and enhance the precision of assembly lines. In electronics manufacturing, AI helps in the delicate placement of tiny components on circuit boards and in testing the functionality of complex devices. Even in industries like food processing, AI can help sort products, monitor quality, and optimize cooking processes. It's all about using smart technology to make the process of creation more intelligent, more reliable, and more sustainable. It's pretty amazing stuff when you think about it. So, as we've seen, artificial intelligence is bringing some truly remarkable advancements to the worlds of material development and manufacturing. The benefits are clear and incredibly exciting. When it comes to creating new materials, AI acts like a super fast, super smart research partner. It helps us discover and design materials with specific, desirable properties, stronger, lighter, more durable, more sustainable, at a pace that was unimaginable just a short while ago. This means we can look forward to new materials that can solve some of our biggest challenges, from building more efficient vehicles to creating better medical implants. The possibilities are truly expanding. In the realm of manufacturing, AI is ushering in an era of smarter factories. By optimizing designs, enhancing quality control, predicting maintenance needs, and streamlining production processes, AI helps us make things more efficiently and with less waste. This not only leads to better products for all of us, but also contributes to more sustainable manufacturing practices, which is so important for the health of our planet. Think about it. Fewer resources used, less energy consumed, and higher quality goods. That's a win-win-win situation. AI is helping us to be better stewards of our resources, while simultaneously pushing the boundaries of what we can create. The impact of these AI-driven advancements will be felt in our everyday lives. The stronger, lighter materials developed with AI could lead to safer, more fuel-efficient cars and airplanes. More durable materials could mean our gadgets last longer, reducing electronic waste. Innovations in manufacturing could make advanced technologies like personalized medicine or renewable energy systems more affordable and accessible. AI is not just an abstract concept for scientists and engineers, it's a tool that will help build a better, more innovative future for everyone. It's about empowering human ingenuity with intelligent systems to achieve incredible things. Ultimately, the AI revolution in material science and manufacturing is a testament to the power of human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Science is all about understanding the world around us and using that understanding to make things better. AI is a powerful new instrument in our scientific toolkit, allowing us to explore, innovate, and build in ways we've only dreamed of. As AI continues to learn and evolve, so too will our ability to shape the material world for the better. It's an exciting time to be alive, witnessing science in action, creating a future that is stronger, smarter, and more sustainable. Isn't science cool?